becoming the epicenter of COVID-19 in the Ashanti region. The area, as at Monday, May 10, 2020, has recorded 261, more than half of 483 COVID-19 cases recorded in the entire Ashanti region. Local and health authorities are concerned with the surge in coronavirus cases despite efforts to curb the spread. They blame lack of attitudinal change on the part of residents, especially market women, for throwing caution, including social distancing protocols, to the wind. Health authorities met strong resistance from residents of Akaporiso suburb as they prepare an isolation center for some COVID-19 patients. The angry youth blocked the main road to the facility and put the main entrance under lock and key because the center could pose health risk to the community. They also packed concrete blocks to block one of the main entrances. After several attempts to convince the angry youth to rescind their decision failed, the Obuasi East Assembly resolved to use force.
We've given them enough education for about 2-3 days. We've spoken with them. The head directorate has gone to speak with them. The chief, the assembly member, the unit committee, we've met them. They are still resisting. So the next option is force. So today, all things being equal, we'll have to send them there because we can't continue keeping them in their various homes because most of them share basic facilities with other people in their homes. So today we had a dissect meeting and we concluded that the security personnel should make sure that the people pave way for the patient to be taken to the center.
The community is not happy of the decision of the CORVID committee and the assembly to evacuate our brothers and sisters who have been infected with the virus to be isolated in that community.
At about 8 p.m. Monday, all was set for the COVID-19 task force to come face to face with the angry youth. Obuasi District Commander DSP Martin Asenso is leading the charge.
If the road has been blocked, we shall go there and remove them. If you have any person or persons gathered, we shall also arrest them.
The armed team forcibly broke padlocks to pave way for the transfer of the patients to the facility. In less than an hour, the operation was over. DSP Martin Asenso is the Obuasi District Commander. He says all isolation centers will be henceforth manned by armed security personnel.
The inhabitants went and locked the main door of the compound. They used their own padlock to, lock the place. So I have to break in to make access to that particular place. At the moment, we have put security there, 24-hour guard for that particular place, because if we don't do this, it will also affect other community that, when we are bringing this, the people say, I don't agree, why are you bringing this place? You know that. This is what the decision the DASEC have taken, the CORVID committee have taken, they are going to abide for this matter.
From Obuasi, for Joy News, Ohimintiria reporting.